I'm going to dedicate this video to a product I got recently in my Ipsy BoxyCharm box, and that is the Alamar Cheek Palette Viva Las Cheekas, which is currently sold out on Ipsy. I will put the information, if I find the ingredients list, I'll put it somewhere here, and the price tag as well. Now this is a cheek palette, and it has three, what appears to be contour, blush, and highlighter. But I could be wrong. But I'm loving the play on the names here. And we are going to keep going with that. And we're just going to play with it. I'm loving the packaging. It's really cute, very retro, very end of summer. What did you do with your summer? Did you have a good summer? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, this is so cute. It's about the size of the box. Same packaging look design. It's slightly raised. I don't know if you can see that. I feel texture there. And this is in fair light. See that down there? This is so cute. I don't know if you can see that. That definitely, this one down here is definitely a highlighter of sorts. Muy shy. It's covered. I don't know if you can see. Do you see that? It has a little protective cover. I wonder if it's a cream. I'm not sure. But I'm going to lift it and see what's up because I'm curious. I'm the only one that's going to use this, so I'm good. But yeah, that's so interesting that it has a cover like that. I'm wondering if it's a cream. See, look. Okay, so I can leave it on. You don't have to completely tear it off. That's good. Yeah. That's so, ooh, that's so sweet. It's definitely something that can stay shut. I don't want to bend it because I want to be able to close it later. Let me see. It is a cream. It is definitely, most definitely a cream. But it looks like, it's interesting. In the pan it looks brown, or like tan. And here it comes off pink. La Muy Shy. The next color is La Niña Fresca. Hello. And then the last one, the sparkly one, is called La Extra, which it is sparkly. So it is going to be extra. Wow. Ooh. Wow. So since this is a cream, I'm just kind of floored by that. I honestly thought that it was, let's see. Oh no, that's not a contour at all. I was hoping it would be. But it says it's cheeks. Dedicated to the cheeks, right? So, ooh. You know what? We're just going to go with it. We're just going to go with it. And I'm going to put, again, this is something that's mine. It's not going to be used by anybody. And I have clean fingertips. This is something that maybe you want to, you know, gently scrape the surface and put on the palette. Like a clear palette. And then blend. But to be honest, yeah, I don't, all right. So it's not going to give me a sun-kissed look. It's basically, essentially for the cheeks. So I'm going to go in with some of this. Should I go in with some of this here? Okay. So this is the cream on this side. Very nice. But I am noticing, I don't know if it's because the, have you guys used the milk the gel. I haven't used it in a hot minute, but I was so elated to get like a sample size of this, and I'm noticing that it pills for unnatural like glow. That's really, really pretty. I'll try the other side with this. I'm assuming less is definitely more. Color payoff. I'm trying to avoid hitting it on this because I don't want products falling out. So let's just, ooh. Oh wow, that's intense. So I'm gonna continue to buff this out. Blend, blend, blend. Less is definitely more, but the color payoff is amazing. Wow. Ooh, that is strong. Okay, I'm just gonna try this a little bit gently without removing anything underneath. Oh wow. So what do you think? And even the placement I did slightly different with the cream down here, like right cradling right by almost the curve, the indent of my cheekbone. And here I put it basically like right on top of the cheekbone. So it looks almost a little lifted on this side, or am I just imagining that? Festive. Oh, it does kind of come off on the brush, which is nice. I was kind of afraid it wouldn't, but let's try this. And then just slowly move it up to blend. All right. Take your time. And carry a little something to remove the makeup from the fingers if you want to distinguish your looks. I'm slowly blending up here, slowly, slowly. Ooh. Okay, I like the eyes. Definitely like the eyes, I do. I feel like a frosted strawberry cupcake. I'm going to complete the look and I'll be right back. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure featuring the Alamar Cosmetics Viva Las Cheekas cheek palette. What's great about this is Alamar Cosmetics is Latina fronted and Latina founded. So, and it's also woman owned. And what do you think of my makeup look? Let me know in the comments below. Please be kind. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be out. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe, bye.